welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make blueberry lush. This recipe is so easy to make and so delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Go ahead by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and grease your baking dish or spray it with butter. Just like so. In a food processor, go ahead and add your vanilla wafers. Blend until nicely crushed. Add your melted butter. Add your pecans. Go ahead and pulse this until everything is well combined. Add it to your dish. Spread this evenly into your baking dish. Now stick it in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. This is how it's looking after pulling it out of the oven. This looks great. Now I'm going to allow this to cool completely. For the cheesecake part, go ahead and add your cream cheese to the food processor. Add your powdered sugar. Add your Cool Whip. Now make sure it is well combined. This is how it's looking after it's well combined. This looks delicious and creamy. Now in a large bowl, go ahead and add your vanilla instant pudding. To that, pour in your milk. And make sure everything is well combined and smooth. This is how the pudding is looking, nice and thick. This looks great. Now add in your Cool Whip. And we're going to fold that in. This is how it's looking after folding in that Cool Whip. So now, after your crust had cooled to room temperature, go in with your cheesecake. And we're going to spread that all over the crust. After adding your cheesecake layer, go in with your pudding. After spreading your pudding, go in with your blueberries. Go ahead and spread that over. Now after adding in your blueberries, go in with your Cool Whip on top. Now go ahead and stick it in the fridge until you are ready to serve it. Hello guys, so my blueberry cheesecake lush is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? And I cannot wait to enjoy it. This is just the perfect summer dessert. It is so delicious. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.